Ready for this?
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, as you guys read in the thumbnail, today we're gonna be wrapping the steering wheel on my 340i. So let's go. Let me go show you. I got it. I ordered it from, I think it's called Mewant. Mewant? I think that's what it's called. I did a custom steering wheel. We're doing a few stuff, but we're gonna be changing this piece on the shifter. I got a key too. I just need to program it. I might just switch the inside part of it and to my new key, to my old key. But here's the steering wheel. A little bit hard since I'm holding the camera. It's like a little one-handed, but look, I got it all Alcantara, and I got it with the red stripe to match the seats and with the M stitching. So red, light blue, and then here's the middle part, which is the dark blue. So we're gonna be doing that today. It's exciting. Let me go show you what it has now. It looks a little bit, you know, has its usage. Look, if you guys want to meet Versace, say what's up. So I don't know if you guys can see. Let me show you with my phone. You see it has like some damage on the top. Not damage, just, you know, usage. Paint's falling off. I've cleaned it. It had some shine before. So, you know, we're gonna be wrapping it with this. It's gonna look nice. Let's do this. Guys, look how it looks. It looks really good. I just have to align everything good and then start the stitching. And so here's says F for the front. There you can see it. And then a little picky. But what do you guys think? Does it look good or what? Let's see, is that in the middle? Guys, I just disconnected the battery. I guess I can barely see. I just disconnected the battery and then I'm gonna put a little towel on top of the ground so it doesn't turn on. So I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna take out the airbag so I can remove these trim pieces here. It'll make it easier to install. So I'm gonna show you. Well, you're gonna see it now. I just removed the steering wheel. So you have to put you have to put a little screwdriver, like a torque screw, in these little holes here. Or you can see it right there. You see the light coming from there? You put it through there, and you just press it on both sides in, and it snaps out. So now I have to get a Torx 20 to remove this. I want to remove this piece, so only I'll be able to remove it. So. Guys, it's officially off. Guys, I have my mom helping me. You gotta shout her out, bro. You gotta follow her on Instagram. She's doing this. I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be taking this off. It's not that hard when you have tools. Let's do this. Okay. It's a little hard to record in. My own tools, not one of the tools they brought because it was not working out. So I already lifted it up there, lift it up here. This is too hard though, I stuck it in. It's almost off. back. Okay, there we go. Come on. Okay, that was pretty easy but hard. So look at that. That's it. We're out. We're done. Here's the M. I gotta remove the 3M double-sided tape. Whew. Look at that. It looks. You guys ready? Got the double-sided tape, and here we go. How does it look? So little touches, man. You put. Oh, something fell. What fell? How does it look? We already got it stuck onto this. Obviously now we're about to start. Oh, she's about to start stitching. So look, you don't have to take out the buttons, but I took it out because it's easier to actually stick it in and it'll come out more professional. So. Guys, we're halfway done. Look how nice it looks. It's coming out very professional. Obviously this is not in yet, but it's kind of like a hint of how it look, and it's looking super good. Guys, we're almost there. Look at this, look at this. He's like, yeah, I can't keep waiting, man. Alright, let me get back to help you here. Guys, look at the finishing product. Look at that. Looks amazing. And the reason I took it away is because you know how they tell you in the here they don't tell you to take it out, they just tell you to pry it in. Just push it in there, you see? But it's easier like this, so it comes out tighter. Because I saw online people doing it, and they have a bunch of wrinkles here and everything. So I'm even able to put it through the back in, so it looks even better. Put the last screw in. All you gotta do is click it in. How does it look, guys? The stitching, how nice it came out. Wow. New steering wheel. Got the new M logo. Moving up. So, what do you guys think of the steering wheel? Obviously, you guys saw how I put it on with my mom. So I want to say I'm in love with how it looks. Like it feels so good. It feels like I have like grip on the wheel, and I feel like I have a brand new steering wheel. It's a brand new steering wheel for just $70, and I customized it for $70. What more can you ask for? So $70 and a few time of labor. Come on, it's like a done deal. Like it looks like a performance steering wheel. I showed it to someone else who has actually paid for like $800 for a steering wheel, and he was like, yo, it looks super good. Like yours even looks thicker. I love the red, like matching your seats. And then I showed him like the glass. He's like, wow, this was just I think it was $20. It was like $19.99 or $10. So like, you know, everything, all the little details count. So, you know, you gotta make it your own. You know, you gotta subscribe to the channel so you can see how I'll make this my own. You know, I'm just kidding. But you know, if you guys like what you're watching, I hope you guys do. And comment down below, what do you think I should do next? You think I should maybe straight pipe the whole car? I already have a catalyst downpipe. You think I should just do a complete straight pipe? So, you know, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe. You know, I don't really care if you like the video, but if you press like, you know, YouTube makes, you know, YouTube likes it when you like a video. So come on, just help me out a little. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.